What's going on, guys? Greg with PizzlesTechTime, back again with another video, and today I've got something pretty exciting for you. This is going to be the SmallRig camera cage for the Canon R5C. Really interesting product. It's going to come with the handle, the camera cage, bottom plate, as well as cable clips. If you're new here, my name's Greg. I do tech videos weekly. All right, let's get down into the unboxing. Let's go. I found this really nifty thing about the Canon lens covers. I don't know if all cameras do that, but the top and bottom one go like that. So that's pretty dope. And look at that, the shutter is actually closed, so that's really cool. Cat hair everywhere. It's really hard with the cat, so we're just gonna put that there. So right here we have the Canon R5C. It has a battery in it. I gotta tell you, the camera itself is super light. It's really the lenses that add the real oomph to it. And because the battery is so small, which is why I need this cage, because I need another battery option, the battery is super tiny. So it really doesn't add any weight to the camera. So this thing is super well built, super light, like incredibly light. It's pretty amazing. My first product from SmallRig. I know a lot of professionals use it. Right here we have the Black Mamba and the buck knife. Black Mamba buck knife. Alrighty then. Black Mamba handheld kit. Nice packaging. Slidey. This is a slidey. So wow. Extremely nice packaging. Now we open it up and we can see that it has these boxes here. And you open that up like so, and we're gonna have pieces to the cage, bottom plate, super nice packaging. We've got some nuts and bolts, and it smells fresh, it smells new. And we have here the camera cage and the handle. So let's take this out. Okay, it's gonna be a little two-part. Wow, it's almost unbelievable how well made this is. You can just feel it. Tell you right now, I'm not gonna get into really too much specs with this because this is my first camera cage, so I'm a beginner here. The handle has rubber grip at the bottom, and this is fantastic. It's got mounting all over it, different sizes. This is super high quality. Let's check the instructions so we don't mess this up. And there's a bunch of pins to secure this camera cage in place. Okay, it's gonna be a great video because I have no idea how to do this, and I do not want to mess up this camera here. I think you should take the eyelid off. So you're gonna use the one that comes on the bottom here that slides in and out, and you're gonna take this off. Okay, looks like it's sliding in a little easier, but this bottom piece here. So it seems to be pretty firmly attached already. What's up, guys? Future Greg here, and I just wanted to let you know, so the small little eyelet screw can actually be tightened and loosened, and that goes right into the bottom of your camera. I didn't actually notice that because it was such a small little nub there, so I just wanted to let you guys know you can tighten and loosen both the big screw and the little screw on the left of it. We're going to take the camera here. We're going to use this handy dandy tool that they give us. And we're going to tighten this up nice and tight so that that's not coming off. Now we still have access to the battery door, so let's try to put this back in here. Now it feels a lot tighter now, but I've got to say it still does not feel super tight on this side of the cage, but I'm not sure if that's just the way it's supposed to be. As you can see, there's a bunch of mounting points on this. This is where your handle is going to go, right here. And it looks fairly simple here. Looks like you just press it and screw it. Okay. That's nice and tight. Stick something in there to get it a little tighter. You don't want to get it too tight. and now that's not going anywhere. And looks really nice. And now you got a nice handle on your camera, so that is pretty awesome. So yep, you can lock it right in the gimbal right here, and it's not going anywhere. That is pretty awesome. Obviously, you could probably want to take the top handle off before you mount it on the gimbal, but as you can see, the black Mamba fits right on top of the gimbal. Still not 100% sure what this little bottom plate is. This was a beginner's look at the black Mamba cage and basically just fiddling around with it. Hopefully you enjoyed it or it was helpful to you. I don't even know if I can post this. That's how bad it is. Okay guys, Future Greg back here again, and I just want to say thank you for making it this far into the video. I did have quite a bit of trouble with this install, being that it was my first camera cage and I had zero instructions, and for whatever reason I didn't watch a video on the setup beforehand before actually trying to make a video about it, which seems silly, but when I'm reviewing products, I really don't like to watch any videos. I don't want my opinion to change before I actually review the product. That being said, the Black Mamba cage is so beautiful. It's a beautiful cage. It's built very well. The quality is amazing. I really am enjoying using this cage, and to be quite honest with you, I have not taken it off my camera once since I put it on. I use it when I take photos. I've been doing a lot of photo shoots lately. I'll show you a couple photos right here. I've been getting a lot better when it comes to video, and obviously the camera needs to be powered by an external battery, or you have to swap out batteries all the time. And with this Black Mamba cage, you're not having to worry about any of the ports being blocked or the battery door being blocked. Everything is completely accessible, and that's why I really do love this cage. And that's why I want to go ahead and make this video, even though I did make a couple mistakes in the video, and I am still a beginner when it comes to cinematography and the Canon ecosystem and everything like that. I thought it would be a good idea to make this video, and hopefully it will help some of you guys out there. So the little eyelet next to the big screw can actually be tightened and loosened. So I missed that in my installation, which would have probably made this a little bit easier. This being my first SmallRig product, I'm definitely going to order more from SmallRig. I did get a silicone cover for the Atomos Ninja V Plus, which I really didn't like, but that being said, I do love SmallRig's products. They do make really high quality products. I think that one product might have been a one-off and I was able to return it. So not that big of a deal, guys. I know a lot of the times when you're starting out, a lot of people that make videos are advanced, and sometimes it's a little bit difficult to follow along. So hopefully you'll want to follow me on my journey as a cinematographer/photographer. My name's Greg. I make tech videos weekly in 4K, and I would greatly appreciate if you would hit the subscribe button, followed by the notification bell, so you'll be notified next time I drop a video, guys. Links below of all my setup, and if anything isn't down there, just let me know and I'll be happy to find it for you. Those are affiliate links. They do help support the channel, but they cost you nothing. So that's about all I've got to say about the SmallRig Black Mamba. Fantastic product, very happy with it. And until next time, I'm out.